It's a great day at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton. Today we're looking at the 2020 GMC Sierra 3500 SLE. We'll start by taking a look inside the front of the 3500. On the driver's door we've got power locks, power windows, power adjustable mirrors, we've got the child lock button, as well as an auto express window. To the left of the steering wheel, we've got trailer mode, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, and some interior and exterior lighting buttons and dials. Here we have the power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support. Next, I'll climb right in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. On the left side of the steering wheel, we've got our cruise control buttons and a heated steering wheel button. On the right side, we've got our audio buttons. Here we have the digital dash. We can scroll through the dash by pushing the arrow buttons located on the steering wheel. Up above we've got OnStar and some interior light buttons. Here we have GMC's Infotainment Center with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This screen displays the outside temperature, the current time, and doubles as our backup camera. Below that, we've got our push start button, dual climate control with air conditioning, heated front seats, the tailgate release, traction control, the trailer brake, and some USB and power plug-ins. At the front of the 3500 HD, we've got black tow hooks, fog lights, 18-inch black wheels, a 6.6-liter V8 engine under the hood. The side mirrors have the side blind zone alert as well as the turn signal indicator. The door handles have intelligent access, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. The rear windows are tinted. We've got the box side step down below. As we make our way to the very back, you'll notice this truck comes with 4x4 and the corner step bumper. Those corner steps are located on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the back of the truck. This truck also has GMC's easy lift and lower tailgate, so we can drop that tailgate down with the push of a button. In the box of the truck, we've got the spray and box liner, some cargo hooks, and box lighting. Next, we'll take a look in the back of this 6-passenger truck. On the passenger door, we've got power windows. On the backs of both front seats, we've got seat pockets. On the back of the center console, we've got some USB and power plug-ins. That's also where our 6th seat folds up. And we also have some under-seat storage by lifting those rear seats up. So come take a look at the 2020 GMC Sierra 3500 HD SLE today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.